Alright, 3, 2, 1. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to.
Oh my god.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh my god. What's up, you guys?
Hey guys.
Welcome back to
Sup,
another video. So, what we're gonna be doing today.
It's hot in here.
So, what we're gonna be doing today. Are you hot? Do you need to turn the AC?
No.
Okay. So, I asked one of my friends in Korea to spend about $150 on whatever they would deem necessary for like a Korean starter kit. What would you guys think is like a typical thing you would find in maybe a Korean starter
Maybe
kit box?
$150?
Maybe $150 in Korean dollars.
7.32 pounds of kimchi.
No. Okay, just give me some good. Okay, I guess kimchi is a fine guess.
Maybe like a karaoke mic.
A child.
Okay. Well. Snacks,
Oh wait,
I'm thinking.
let's do introductions.
PlayStation 5.
You're right. We gotta do the introductions. You start off, Singya. You start off. If you remember.
All right, guys, let's do introductions. My name is Johnny, and I'm the youngest.
I'm Justin. I am number 2.
And I'm Josh. I'm the oldest brother.
Yo, just let me.
Oh.
Oh.
Why you?
What the heck?
And
Do
so,
you want me to open it?
sure, you can try to open it. Be careful, please.
Alright.
Don't hurt yourself. I put this little flag in just to really emphasize the Koreanness.
Where's it from?
Wow. All right.
A stick
Hold on.
from Korea.
That's a card. That's part of the cardboard.
Wow.
Here.
Exosome.
Here. All right. So what do you guys want to look at first? I have a list of the things that are in here. So
Oh, great. Post-its.
what is that? Let me see.
Wait, I don't know. I can't read this.
It says my name, your name.
Oh.
This one says my name. All right. So these are custom shot glasses.
What?
What?
Oh, stickers.
But why? This is custom shot glasses. So I'm not really sure how that works.
I think you put them on a shot glass and it's a sticker.
but how it works is. This is 처음처럼, right? That's the name of the soju thing, like the 처음처럼. You guys know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Like the first time, right? But instead it says our names, so it's like 승관처럼. You get it? But it says there's custom shot glasses, but it only has stickers in here.
Maybe they're down further.
Maybe. That's the face wash that I use and I asked my brothers to use as well. You guys use that consistently?
You guys actually can go back to the face wash video.
I finished all mine.
So you want a Pokemon one?
Yeah, I'll definitely take one of these.
Alright.
These are so cute though. Let's get a close up of that.
Oh, yo, smoked Carby Pringles is crazy.
You guys are going too fast.
Sorry.
Can we slow down, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think this is the.
Yo, what the?
Oh my god. I think this is the shot glass.
Okay.
So who wants to open this one up? This one's a little bit damaged, but there's 3 in here, so that's what I'm guessing. these are
Shouldn't be
shot
me,
glasses.
guys.
Okay, this is damaged.
Oh, it is.
No.
Oh, it's fine.
Soon KWON.
Oh, that's mine. Whoa!
Why are they like
wait,
low-key
try,
awesome?
yo, here.
They're low-key large, though.
Yo,
They're huge.
can I show you guys? 승관처럼, bro, this is sick. The shot glasses like Josh. Like Josh.
Like me, bro.
Bro, these are sick.
Should we take a shot right now?
Bro, these are. I don't know. I asked my friend to just drop $150 on what they think is like a starter kit from Korea, and here we go.
Damn, man, this is hella nice.
All right, cheers, guys.
All right, cheers. Man, you got food in your teeth. Come here. So that is the custom shot glasses. So it's supposed to say 처음처럼, but they're custom. So it says 승관처럼, 승균처럼, 승기처럼. So,
SEUNG is my Korean name.
so that's really cool.
In case no one of you guys know, for my future edits, in case anybody wants to make an edit.
You guys, Justin's really upset because Jonathan got an edit, and so did I. You guys have made fan edits for us, but Justin's still waiting on his edit. So if
It
you guys
seems like
could-
nobody likes me.
So if you guys could make some edits for Justin,
No, that's okay.
I really appreciate that.
That's okay. You guys,
All right.
you don't have to do that.
So
Now we
Pringles?
have the Pringles, smoked Carby.
There's multiple Pringles in here.
They've traveled
This is
over
tteokbokki.
24 hours to get here.
Wait, hold on. Let me see if I have a thing that describes these. Yeah, Korean Pringles, only available in Korea. One of the bites.
Is it really that good?
No.
Is it not good?
Let me try. Let me try.
No, it's not.
What flavor is it? What flavor is
It's
it?
honestly terrible.
Smoked Carby. Bro, okay. It's not the best.
It's okay.
It's not that bad.
It's just like odd tasting.
compared to normal Pringles, it was a throw off.
It's a throw off.
It tastes more like those chips. I don't know if you know what chips I'm talking about.
I know. Yeah,
Like,
it's
low key like
the Korean.
O's.
Yeah.
The onion rings,
Yeah. This is tteokbokki.
I'm scared to try it. I need to like rinse out my mouth with water.
That's not. Yeah, that one is. That one's alright.
Ew, there's a little bit of chemicals in this water, bruh.
You're welcome. That's the protein. Relax. There was 2. You badass.
All right. Cheers. Okay.
Mmm. That one's pretty good.
That one's really
That one
good.
is really good.
Oh my god.
It tastes like pizza with red pepper
That
flakes on
does.
it.
Oh my god. Can we get pizza after this? Can we?
I actually just ate some.
Oh.
Soy sauce flavored.
I can't read. No.
I mean, obviously.
This is in Japanese, but there's a picture of a mussel. So it's
Ain't
gonna be
no
seafood
way.
flavor. I think.
I don't even want to try it.
Oh my god.
We should just make a video. I don't want it. I'm good.
Yeah, you gotta try it, man.
Trying all the different Pringles flavors.
Alright, here we go.
That's so bad. That is hard. That is by far one of the worst things that I've ever eaten.
That's actually horrible though.
That is
actually tastes
so gross. Ew. Who possibly could go to the corner store and
You gotta really like seafood to like that one, and I really do like seafood.
Oh,
But that one,
that
not the
one was
best.
a big doom.
that's not the best. Not the best. So you wanna go wash your hands, man? You can spit all of them.
Nah, that's alright.
Okay, well that's grosser. That's grosser.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna enter this box again.
Alright.
That one's like staining my mouth.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, put another tteokbokki one in it.
Ew.
Ah.
Oh, it's okay. So I'm just not gonna leave.
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Next one. Singer, what do you want to pull out?
I put
That?
out this.
What is that?
Este.
ST.
Este.
Open it up.
Yes.
That looks kind of similar to the nails, like that when I painted my nails. Oh, there's a picture on the back. Oh, this is
Gua sha.
Yeah. Oh,
Come
which
on,
hand did
man.
you spin? Is that this? Oh,
I just washed my hands, man.
That's
No,
pretty
you didn't.
gross.
I watched you not.
This
leave,
one,
actually.
this one.
All right, sounds good. Open it up. There's a rave going on outside.
People going crazy. Alright, guys, so.
Hold on, wait for singing it over. Wait, you just opened it by yourself.
Oh,
man.
you can cut that part out, man.
All right.
So, guys, I just accidentally, not actually.
No, put it back. Stop opening it. Stop opening it. Wait for singing to come back.
He said to open it first.
Whoa!
So here's what you're supposed to do, Joe. You fat.
Gua sha, good for reducing puffiness and toning face shape.
So
That
what
is
you're supposed
they
to
told
do.
me about the gua
This
sha.
is actually I've been using a gua sha for years. You haven't seen the jawline.
Damn.
Is that actually?
Yo, someone make an edit of that. Someone make an edit of that, you guys. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Like that?
Oh no.
No, I think that's how you use it.
There's too much thickness and there's too much skin.
You're just so fat. You're just so fat that it doesn't.
It's best when you like after a shower because your skin is loose,
After shower.
right?
I couldn't tell you. This is the first time I'm seeing
You must be experienced with this.
Yeah.
What is that supposed to mean?
Fat ass. I don't think that's how you use that. Pretty.
What the heck is this guy?
Yo. Oh.
I've claimed it. It's mine. Nobody
No,
wants it
stop.
anymore.
Let me try
Oh
it.
nah.
So the material is like plastic. It's like, but it's nice. It's like crystallized plastic. Can you wait?
Sorry.
Can we go one at a time?
I was curious.
Oh my god. I've seen videos of people using gua sha and Singy, I think you were right. Alright? Like, and this is how they do it, right?
Yeah, I don't actually know.
Oh, okay.
I have seen videos.
I thought it's supposed to be like cold too. So maybe
Yeah.
you throw this in
Oh,
the...
you put ice or something.
Yeah,
something
and
like
I think
that.
that's how you do it. So, this is nice. I like this. This is good. You're so ugly.
Alrighty, on to the next activity.
Alright, on to the next one. Alright, Singer, reach in there and pull it out.
Purdak sauce. Okay, I will never be using this.
Whoa! It's just a sauce of purdak. Do you want to hear the description they wrote for purdak sauce?
Yeah, but they're right.
Purdak sauce.
Okay. I mean, yeah, that's basically what it is.
Yeah. All right.
I think if you either know what this is or you don't know what it is.
Oh, there's another one in here.
And if you know what
They've
it
actually
is,
been going
there's two
viral
more
on
in here.
TikTok.
Oh.
Is there more?
Do you think they wanted us to just drink
Wait, there's
it?
2 more in here.
They wanted us to drink
Yeah, just like
shots
straight
of
up.
Alright.
shots of hot.
Let's do one. Let's do one.
No, because if you open it, then you can't use it.
I know, so let's just do one.
Wait, but this is really, really spicy.
I don't think I
is it
want to
not?
do. I think I know what this is, and I just don't want to put myself through that right now.
Oh.
See, why would you do that? Because I don't want that. You're gonna have to eat. That's a waste of the sauce.
There you go, right?
Yeah, you got that.
Oh, I tasted that from.
But it's actually really tasty.
I didn't have any.
It's actually really tasty though.
Yeah, man.
It's really tasty. Oh. Don't edit that. Don't
Or
edit
you can
that.
edit this.
That was like
That was
top 3
great.
wackest things
That was,
you've ever
that was
done.
so whack.
That
I
was
can't
like
believe I
so
can't. I don't know what I just watched.
absolutely
Sorry, guys.
wrong.
Sorry to whoever's gonna have to edit that.
No one's. I'm editing it first of all. I have to watch that back. Reach in there and pull whatever you want out.
Okay, and I'm
Pause.
gonna go with. Okay, bulldog sauce. So this is Korean hot sauce. It goes on basically any.
A Riedel shot.
Oh! Oh!
I don't know what that is though. Seems
Is there
cool.
only one? Oh, there's only one. Whoa! Yo! This is really a big deal. This is like the #1 Korean skincare.
Like steroids?
What?
What?
I thought it was like a shot, like.
Yeah.
No, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, I know you guys are obsessed with skincare, so I'm gonna explain what this is for you, okay? So, what is that? Is that
I think
food?
it's a part of it. It's a Riedel
Oh, it's
shot.
Riedel shot. Oh, so it's all Riedel shot.
So it came in a
What
powdered
the heck
form,
is that?
right?
What the
I'm
heck
pretty
is that?
sure that's for the nose.
what the heck?
Or is it? Oh, it's a face mask. Sorry, face mask. You just put it on your face.
Oh, it's like little Riedel shot pouches.
Yeah, I think
Bro.
you're just supposed to.
Look at this.
Oh, maybe you mixed the shot pouches with this.
What the heck? Oh, this is not how I remember looking at Riedel shot.
Yeah, you Riedel them up.
That's
We
not
also
where-
got this canola honey lip balm in here.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
that's really convenient. I told you I wanted to get you one.
Why don't you just pull out everything?
Oh my
while you're
god,
at it?
you're right. I'm supposed to go one at a time. For
Well,
context,
well, yeah, for context.
that's my favorite chapstick. I think that's.
Oh! This is the really good one.
Yeah, I think that is the best chapstick that I've ever had.
Is it like poisonous if I eat it?
I gave you one already.
Yeah, I used all of it. Oh god.
Wait, so what is this Riedel shot? So that's is there more Riedel shots?
Yeah, so
wait, this is a silver box too.
No, I think they're all these 4 things are all relax. Only I could touch the box. They're all a part of the same family, the Riedel family.
The Riedel family.
Shout out
what
to the
is
Riedel
this?
family. Thanks
Alright,
for
hold on.
sending us
Let me
this.
look in Riedel.
Shout out to Riedel.
Shout out to
Thanks for sponsoring this video.
Mr. and Mrs.
This
Riedel.
video would not
Riedel
be possible
shot.
without Riedel shot.
Yeah.
So, if you guys don't know what Riedel shot is, let me explain a little bit about it.
And then I'll explain it after.
So, Riedel shot is basically a skincare product, / company that is based out of Korea that basically operates, on
Riedels.
Riedels, right?
Yeah.
Helping get the best
Shots.
shots.
Yes.
Yes.
Riedel shots.
So Riedel shot, Korea's #1 ranked skincare.
What did I
product.
say?
Oh.
What did I? That's exactly what I said.
Literally, we don't know if it's using the shots or the Riedels though yet.
Mini micro needles.
That's what he said. That's what he said.
That's what I said.
That's what he said.
Mini micro needles open up the skin to help ensure that the formula is fully absorbed.
Using
Micro needles.
Shots.
Riedels.
I've seen it on TikTok before too. All I know about it is like really popular.
Yeah.
So we'll have
I don't know
we'll
what
have to do
any of
another
these are.
video testing out the Riedel skincare routine. Make sure to drop a comment if you want to see us test out this routine for a video.
It expires on 27/06. So.
Thanks for that, man.
No problem.
Alright, so I don't know what those are. I'm gonna guess these are all the same. I was really questionable about like why would I want to put needles in my body on my skin, but supposedly it's like not actually that harmful. I don't know a lot about this. All I know is that it's hyped up. But let's open up this box.
That must be the shot.
Must be.
Oh, does anyone rub it on their skin first?
Ow! It burns.
Does it actually?
Yeah, like low key.
Ooh. What the heck? It's like giving me shots.
It's like a sting.
Whoa.
like I feel
It's like a real.
Oh.
Is it
like a Rito shot?
a real shot? Oh, I feel it. You feel
Prickling.
it?
Prickling.
Really?
It's like it's spiky. I
Right, so-
literally feel
So
micro
what, you're
needles.
supposed to put it on your face?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not
That's
doing that.
scary. Yeah.
Yeah.
You just put it on your face.
That kind of hurts.
Yeah, I don't know if I like that or not.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna make a TikTok about it separately,
It's gotta be, you know.
and I'll give it a review with some time. But that low-key hurts.
Yeah.
You're gonna
So-
put it on your face and just put yourself through
So
that for
I'm
good skin.
I'm gonna guess that these are the softer version because this is level 100, and then this is level 300. This
How
goes
is
up to
the-
level 900.
Okay, but that's my question. Like, how are there levels to this? Like, what level 900 you fly into your face and you're just like, your face is on fire for like 30 minutes?
Let me tell you something about these shots.
The Rito?
Rito.
Rito shot?
Rito in it.
It must be the Rito brand.
Must be.
Rito.
I need both of
Number
you. I need both of you to shut up, please. I know. So I don't know what these are.
They all.
These are a mask. Here, read that. These are face masks.
What level is it? What level?
I don't know if these are will like have the needles in it.
So what?
Would you want to put on a face mask?
I just don't know if I want to do that
Just
because
because of the needles?
it kind of hurt.
Yeah. All right. Next up, what's this?
Oh, no.
That's the.
Oh, this
But
is
we have one more skincare product to review.
The Bullock.
Pool Duck. What kind of skincare is this?
When you put up your butt.
I don't know if I
Well,
want.
I guess one that comes out your butt.
There's another Innisfree in here. Do you want this?
Oh,
Oh,
here, you want this, man?
what is this? We are to the final items of our box.
Man, pull them out.
We have 2-3 things.
All right, so we have hoodie number. I think there's 3 hoodies.
Innisfree lip balm description is Joshua's favorite lip balm. Clothes from Japan to Korea
Ooh,
to US.
it's a zipper.
So these are actually from Japan.
Ooh, these are kind of.
Oh,
It's kind of hard.
Hold on.
Oh,
What does it say on the sweater?
oh,
There's an icon on it.
heavyweight.
heavyweight.
Bro, that looks nice on you.
That we just
Oh,
got-
these are pants. Singya, put these pants on.
Put those pants on.
All right, guess I'm just gonna be the model for today.
Oh, these are cool too.
Oh, bro, those pants are nice. They're kind of similar to mine. Yo, you're dripped out right now.
Bro picked up a whole new outfit from Korea today.
Yo, Singya, get that edit. Get that edit going. Get that edit material going. 28. Hitting the post 28. What's that, Magica?
Okay, guys, get those cameras ready for my edit. What do we think? Edit worthy or? Oh, I completely messed this up. I forgot to tie it. How embarrassing of me. Am I wearing this right? Is this how it's supposed to be worn?
Yeah, I think you're all good there.
Nice.
Oh, you guys are both dripped out.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, Singya, you actually look nice,
Yeah,
man.
man. Me
Yeah.
too. What are we thinking?
Come here real quick.
Stop it. Stop.
Oh!